Now let's try this question. Find A and B such that the numbers A, 9, B and 25 form an AP. So again, what's the key concept to use here? That since these numbers form an AP, the difference between a term and its previous term is going to be constant. So let's apply that here. So the difference between 9 and A is going to be 9 minus A, right? And that's going to be equal to the difference between B and 9. So B minus 9, right? And that's going to be equal to 25 minus B. Because we know that the difference is constant. It's a common difference. Okay. So now let's use this part and solve for B. So we have B minus 9 equals 25 minus B. Right. So if you solve that, it's going to be 2B equals 34. So B works out to be 34 by 2, which is 17. So we found the value of B. Now we can use this part 9 minus A equals B minus 9 to easily find A. So let me write that down here. 9 minus A equals B minus 9, right? I'm using this part, and since we already have the value of B, so it's going to be 9 minus A equals 17 minus 9. So 9 minus A is equal to 8. And so basically we have, if you solve it, A is equal to 1. So there we found our answer. We've got the value of A and the value of B. And we use this important thing that the difference between two consecutive terms is constant. So 1, 9, 17 and 25 form an AP here. Can you see that the common difference is 8? Ready for the next question? Here it is. Find the 21st term of the AP minus 5, minus 5 by 2, 0, 5 by 2 and so on. Okay. And remember, to find the 21st term or the nth term, we need to use the formula Tn equals A plus n minus 1 into D. Remember that formula? Okay. And so what is the first term here? It's denoted by A, right? And A is going to be this term, minus 5. Now what is the common difference D? Now since we already know that this is an AP, we don't need to prove it's an AP. So we can take the difference of any two terms to find the common difference D. And let's see, what do we get? So it's easy to take these two terms, 5 by 2 minus 0. So the common difference is basically 5 by 2, right? So we've got our D, the common difference here. Okay. And since we need to find the 21st term, so we need to find T21, or you can also denote it by A21. Okay. So that's going to be A plus. So we're going to substitute the value minus 5 here plus n. So here n is going to be 21 minus 1 times the difference, 5 by 2. Okay. And if you work that out, so this is 21 minus 1, that's going to be 20 into 5 by 2. So we are going to get here minus 5 plus this is going to be 50. This works out to 50. So our 21st term is 45. That is our answer here. So here the main thing is to use this formula and correctly substitute the value of A, N and D to solve this question.